Welcome to my second unboxing video, and today we are going to unbox some goodies sent to me by my friend Kos Lakonian from Canada. Okay. Kos is a blade designer and maker. At the same time, he also designs and makes impact tools for self-defense. Kos is an FMA practitioner. He studies Calis Illustrissimo from Archie Luz, and he also served in the Canadian Forces. Okay, so let's open the package and see what we've got here. It's just like opening gift from Santa on Christmas Day. I actually received this before Christmas, but I just didn't have time to open it and do a video on it, so I'm doing it now.
One.
Okay, so we have here the Ferrun, okay, the Raptor, and the Luna. Okay, these are actually awesome impact tools from Kos. Thank you very much, bro. Let's talk a little bit about a disclaimer. Okay, know the laws in your area with regards to carrying and using these type of tools for self-defense. Even though you are defending yourself, you will be held liable for your actions. And you don't want to be ending up on the wrong side of the law when the legal battle hits the fan. There are areas like in the UK, tools like these that are made for self-defense purposes are actually illegal to carry. So please know your local laws. So let's go back to my review. All models sent are ABS-CF, which is basically regular ABS with a continuous strand of carbon fiber running through the entire print. This gives the print incredible strength and rigidity to withstand hard impacts. According to Kos, his inspirations for these tools came from working with Archie and draws heavily on Calis Illustrissimo and blade craft method techniques. He made this with the striking philosophies of these styles, and each design has its own flavor. Several iterations of each were designed, tested, redesigned, and retested until he arrived at what you see here. The Raptor had about 17 revisions and is still being revised to reach peak performance. Okay, let's check the Ferrun. I'm gonna bring it a bit closer to you. Okay, it has a nice shark design even at the tip, and if you can look at it, it says Ferrun Tactics. Okay, it has a nice feel in my hands. It's very discreet. The tips are precise, and the grip angle is just right for striking. Okay, for hooking actions. Okay, for controlling. Okay, and if you notice, it has a rat tail because according to Kos, Archie dislikes rings. Okay, and you can use this for paint compliance technique as well. Nice. Now let's check this little sweet thing called the Luna. Okay, so see, if you notice, it's a very basic design. You've got a finger groove here where you can place your middle finger, and you've got the ring here where you put your index finger. Another finger group where you can place your thumb. Okay, it is small, sharp, and designed to use with dirty boxing approach. With the Luna, you don't need special techniques or complex targeting requirements. Even without much training, you can simply pick it up and use it. Okay, so you can incorporate it with a lot of your boxing, okay, actions. It's very nice actually. Okay, and it actually sits well in my hand as well. Okay. I really like it. And now let's go to the Raptor. Okay, so you've got the shaft, you got the ring, but if you notice on the outer edge of the ring, okay, it's not a smooth circle. Okay, so you've got corners to be able to anchor your thumb on. So when you start like choking the weapon for better control, and at the same time you got this protrusion here which you can use for impact. Okay, yeah, it also has a nice feel in my hand, very discreet as well, just like the Ferrun. The tips are precise, the grip angles are just right for striking, for hooking and controlling. Okay, and of course okay, you can still do some pain compliance on this too. Okay, and with the addition of the ring, you've got basically better control over it. According to Kos, the Raptor is designed for reflex mag insert. This tool was designed for Canadian Force personnel as a less lethal option when working in an environment where lethal force isn't necessarily the most politically advantageous option. Okay. The Raptor is good to train with for situations where the muzzle of your primary or secondary weapon, okay, was grabbed by an aggressor. So you can deploy the Raptor as a force multiplier to get an upper hand on the situation before going for your next move. There are certain times that you can't use lethal force, or for example using a knife in that particular situation or a blade. So this is a good option when you want to use less lethal force. This is actually cool because if you got your tactical vest, you can just actually put this on the mold loop of your tactical vest or in your pocket. It is very light, so the weight is inconsequential even with a full fighting order. These are well-designed kits. Get yours now and you won't be disappointed. I'm going to post the link to Kos Lakonian's FB profile on my video description. Okay? Shame I won't be able to carry these babies in the UK. Never mind eh. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please like, share, and comment. Stay safe everybody and have a happy new year.